Hello, hello, hello. We're doing events. Okay, it's been a minute since I used this, so give me a second. Okay. I guess you can hear me. We are doing shout out for events coming up. What are you doing? I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I'm going to share events with you. Okay, let me shut this off. All right, I made a post and shared a video of sparkling diamonds with Brittany and Robin. That video has got a lot of events in it. All of January, all of February, and year-long events going on in that video and in the description on their video. So because I posted that took care of a lot of the events. I'm going to share with you events that I didn't see on their video, but events that I might be doing myself. Some of them I'm not sure. But they're out there. They're out there for you to do. If it's a good way to knock down your stash while supporting other YouTube creators. I mean, that's what it's about. We're here to support each other. So go check out Sparkling Diamonds with Brittany and Robin. They're a mother-daughter duo, and they're amazing. Okay, well, I'm going to start with the year-long events. There is the temperature chart. I'm going to put a post on my Facebook page where you can post your temperature charts. There'll be a post also on my Facebook page where you can post traveling canvas, hashtag traveling canvas 2026 progress pictures. If you don't have Facebook, please email me your progress with the traveling canvas. So those are going to be, well, the temperature chart's going to be a year long. It has to be. You can't shorten it up unless you're going back to 2025. But that's another whole ball of wax. I'm not doing that. I'm doing 2026. I'm doing this year. It's my first project for temperature chart, and I'm going all the way to December this year. There's also Creations Moran. Creations Moran is a year-long whip. On Wednesdays, you post pictures of your current whip. Now, I'm going to use my temperature chart for every Wednesday for the year because why not? Why not? And Michaela Renee, go check out Michaela Renee. She is doing Year of the Witches. Check out her channel. She has a video up explaining what it is. Now, I think that one will be a great one to prepare yourself going into Halloween. Yeah. I mean, there are people out there that have a lot of witches on their canvases. Right? Why not? And the Nerdy Painter. This, I don't know if it's just January and February or if it's going to be a year long. I think it's going to be a year-long event, but the Nerdy Painter has got bingo. She's created 2 bingo cards, and the spots were selected, the challenges were selected by her subscribers, and I have one on there. Every time she gets a bingo, she's going to do a drawing. And now I think it's the full card, I think, is when she does a drawing. So it doesn't matter if you do it or not. She's still going to do the drawing when she completes it. But check out Nerdy Painter. She's got links to the bingo cards if you want to participate in her bingo. So we all know January. We got diamond painting with friends. We got stained glass canvas by Enza's Diamonds and Crafts. We have uncovering a mystery by Scarlet's Little Crafting Corner. Crafty, not ing, crafty corner. Then February, we have Bejeweled Peacocks with Crafty Chef Diamond and Diamonds Around You 9210. Then we also have in February Hearts and Flowers by Callie Valpoli, and that's a Facebook event. That's January and February. Now I'm also going to mention March because I've got the sheet right in front of me, and why not? Make sure you're ready for March. It's going to be here before you know it. March is Planes, Trains, and Automobiles by Diamonds and Stuff. Her husband, Neil, is actually doing that event. So check out Planes, Diamonds and Stuff, and get out your canvases with planes, trains, or automobiles in it. And March, guess what? March, I turned the big 6-0. And I would like birthday cards. Send me birthday cards. And you know who did something similar? Diana Loves Colors. She did postcards from the different states of the United States and of around the world. And she had everybody send her postcards. I love getting mail. I love it. So send me mail. Send me mail for my birthday. But I am doing a birthday cake canvas. Yes, I am. What do you do for my birthday event? It's called Celebration Birthday with Pampered with Diamonds. Anything you want. Anything you want. Yep, anything you want. Doesn't have to have a start, doesn't have to have a finish. I just want you watching my videos and commenting. That's all. That is all. I mean, that's all we ever want, right? So anything you want. You can even do a puzzle. You can do coloring sheets. You can do diamond art. You can do cross stitch. You can knit. You can make something out of Play-Doh. You can use markers. You know, those life things, that book by Target that Target started putting out, Lifelines or whatever it's called, with the markers, and you just make a picture with the markers. You can do that. You can do whatever you want. You can use stickers. That's for my event in March. And I'm only going to March, so, because I figure that's plenty of time for you to get something for one of those events right now. Make sure. Check your stashes. Make sure you have everything. So, what am I participating this month? I'm doing the Uncovering a Mystery. I'm doing Pink and Black with ishKristyn and Mushmallow. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with that event. It's on Facebook and it's YouTube. And they're shorts. They do YouTube shorts. They're funny. It's not a boring diamond painting video. You know, sometimes you watch a video and you're just like, I get it. Let me see the image. No, this, you have to stay tuned. Along with the Uncovering a Mystery, I might say, you have to watch the whole thing. The same with Pink and Black. You got to watch the whole thing. They're just funny. They are funny, and it's a lot of fun. A real lot of fun. And I'm also doing Mindy's Smashing the Specials with Mindy's Diamond Moment. I'm doing Stitch, Angel, Snowflakes, a Christmas mug, a snowflake that I'm going to turn into fireworks, and an ornament. that's what I'm doing for Mindy's event. And then you got Anxiety Art Adventure. Wrap up a whip. Wrap up a whip. I don't know if I'm doing that one, but I have it on my list. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish my whip. So I have to rewatch her video to see if that will qualify, because I have a whip, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it. And I think wrap up a whip means she wants you to finish it, but I'm not 100% sure. So check out Anxiety Art Adventure for more information. Now, February, I just found out that watching Brittany and Robin, y'all, I said y'all. I can't believe I said y'all. You guys, listen. Emma Casey has a paint along in February. I have to mention it because I have a painting by Emma Casey. And I have the Cuddly Little Dragons by Emma Casey. I'm not sure what the specifics are for the event, but guys, I have something for Emma Casey's event. You got to check her out too. And Ditsy's Diamond Den with DP Addiction Adventure. They're doing Small and Mighty. Small and Mighty. I have quite a few small projects, and I can knock them out doing this event. Why not? I could do those small ones in between my temperature challenge, and I can do those in between my mystery, because I don't know if I'm going to have the mystery done by the end of the month. I might. So I do the small and mighty in between those days. So, and my Emma Casey, I can do it when I'm not doing my Emma Casey. And then there's a 2-month event for February and March she's a new channel, so go check her out. Dazzle and Dot Crafts. She's doing Love for All Seasons. She does have a video up that talks about the event. It's called Love for All Season. It's a 2-month event for February and March. So March, I think we already talked about March. There's also an event. If you have a Hannah Lynn, go check out Finish a Hannah Lynn. Jeannie M. Bushnell is doing that event. And Starlight Starbright for January is doing Animals, an animal event. So check out Star. And then Snow, Kathy's Diamond, is doing a snow event this month. So, and then in March, oh, I almost forgot one. The Chuck Along in March with Mindy's Diamond Moment. Check out the Chuck Along. So I think I've given you enough between Brittany and Robin's amazing collection of events. I think I've given you enough information to carry you through March so you can pick out something to do in March. And as it gets closer, more events may pop up. So we will see. So in the meantime, I'm going to do my pink and black. And yes, I'm going to do my stitch for pink and black, just so I can post it on the Facebook page and annoy Marshmallow. Yeah. And I will get points from ishKristyn. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. So, let's get dotting, everyone. And the Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 is a Facebook group. Go join them. Join them. Tell them Nancy sent you. Pampered with Diamonds. Okay. Over and out. I'll see you on the next one. And be kind to everyone. Bye.